If you watched yesterday's vlog, holy crap, it was hectic, crazy, down to the wire. We're freaking here. The vibes are good. Pretty interesting. We've got our booth set up, and it's not even a booth, it's a hauler, it's a trailer. I've been calling it a hauler because I've been watching a lot of NASCAR. And then we got my car, we got Sammy K's here, we got Lemonade, we have Rob Dom, and we got the center stage. This right here I'm standing on is a VIP section, which is pretty special. It's crazy, man. And I'm gonna try to walk around as much as I can and say hello to everybody. Try to be at the booth space and say hello to everybody. But I'm fucking excited. You ready to go? Let's do it.
Mike's parking the truck, so you should take over his vlog for a minute.
Thomas, I'm taking over Mike's vlog.
All right, let's go see if we can hype up Randy.
All right, guys, so right now this is gonna be the Eliminate channel. Ooh. Hey, ready? Car show, guys. Let's show you guys around. Take over. This is the Ferrari we just caught with all the money that we made from AutoCon.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Come on, these guys are lame. Everybody's just waking up right now.
Okay guys, this wall, Thomas actually painted this entire wall. As a team, we envisioned a wall of fans that have been supporting us for like ever. So you guys get to come here and sign this wall wherever you guys want. Put your Instagram, your hashtags, or freaking whatever you guys want, and put a nice little message. As a team now, we'll hit up Summer Dead Center. I'm just gonna sign right here. Oh?
I don't know if I should say.
You like this over?
Yeah, I think this is.
Yeah, we're king now.
Woo! Hell yeah. If anything, the gold's more noticeable.
Let him see it.
Yeah,
the magic
damn, light up skateboards, how much do these cost? Hey!
$20, bro.
Damn. Hell yeah.
This one's alright. I like that one better.
Hey,
The GTR right there. Yeah.
It's like Louis.
That's tight. That's actually really tight.
That's a cool design.
Alright, cool guys. Sign this right here. I want you guys to sign this wall.
Been busy all day, man?
Huh?
Been busy all day.
Bam!
Die.
I don't want to put a penis because I'll ruin it. I thought your name was Son, not Sora, bud. Taking an ass or what?
Hey guys, come sign this.
It brings a tear to my eyes. To my eyes.
Nobody want to be next to me?
I got you.
That's right.
To my eyes.
Halfway-ish through, mayhem. Mayhem good way. It's crazy, it's busy, super organized. Everyone got through, secured pretty quick. Omar's here joining us. If you guys haven't seen Omar, he started a YouTube channel, by the way. Business stuff, life stuff, pretty cool, interesting guy. Of course, we got Brian. Everyone knows he bought a Supra recently. Big Supra guy. If you guys having fun yet? I'm having fun. I'm all sweaty. I'm just fat.
There we go. Yeah. Follow me on Omar Saeed. I don't care what he says. Look at this. I don't care what this guy says. Omar Saeed. Let him exchange phone numbers with dudes. I'm taking over his channel. Look at him. He's not even paying attention anymore. He's just focused on us.
so many people. Hi. I'm like overstimulated. There's so much going on. So I'm just kind of wandering around and checking out all the cars as much as I can. Trying to like be responsible and work the event a little bit. I don't know. Let's put some music right now. Ooh.
Heat in my vein like vernacular. Cook up the beat with a spatula. Y'all are not ready for action. I'm smoking these rappers and feeling spectacular. Making a killing like massacre. Watch out, I'm whipping my wrist. Right on my city, been pissed, but I show them love.
You guys seen this Mustang? Most of you guys have probably seen this one. $1 million.
Unconceivable, unbelievable. Grammar like a hammer, information receivable.
We are in the VIP room right now, just chilling, kind of like VIP command center. Bunch of snacks and drinks. And then the cool part is if you swing over here, you'll see.
I have the place here. I'm gonna come. Yeah, I put it on the table.
These guys always keep my car smelling fresh. My car smells good all the time because of them, legit. I have my own air fresheners too, but you guys have like those fucking big ones. Big ones. That smell good. You gotta give a fucking humble shout out. Go.
What's up, guys? Follow us on Smelly Panda on Instagram, Facebook, hashtag Black Squad Matters.
Hell yeah, dude. So. Bam! What time is it? 10 o'clock. Trailer, the crew's here. Look how empty this building is. It was all crazy cars, and then it was all revving cars, and a bunch of fans and supporters, and now it's completely empty. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, hanging out with us. AutoCon comes to LA every year. We'll be in New York this year. Check AutoConevents.com for anything you guys want to see for AutoCon stuff. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.